Hi, man. Do you have any special sparklers? This is a number sparklers. This is a heart-shaped sparklers. This is a 5-star sparklers. But all those are conventional normal sparklers. Do you have anything new?
Yes, of course, I will show you.
Wow, this is a Constellation sparklers. This is a Cancer-shaped sparkler. This is a Gemini sparkler. This is a turtle-shaped sparkler. This is an Aquarius-shaped sparkler. This is a Libra-shaped sparkler. This is a Capricorn-shaped sparkler. All these are Constellation sparklers. These are brand new. Find all types of sparklers or in Mandarin Fireworks.
Mandarin Fireworks, most trusted brand.